In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a filter in Gmail. If your inbox isn't behaving the way you expect, an old or overly aggressive filter might be the reason. Filters are great for automatically sorting, labeling, or archiving messages, but when they're no longer needed, removing them can restore control. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips so you feel confident before you click delete. Start by opening Gmail on a desktop browser. In the top right corner of your screen, click the gear icon to open Settings. This small gear gives you quick options, but for what we need, select See All Settings from the drop-down. That opens the full settings page with a row of tabs across the top. Next, click the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is where Gmail lists every filter you've created, along with what those filters do. You'll see the conditions on the left, things like from, subject, or specific keywords, and the actions on the right, such as skipping the inbox, applying labels, or forwarding. Now locate the specific filter you want to remove. If you have a long list, it helps to scan the conditions carefully, or use your browser's Find feature to search for a keyword you remember from the filter. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by reading the criteria and actions. You want to be sure you're removing the filter that's causing the behavior you want to stop. When you're ready, click the delete link next to that filter. You'll notice there are other options like edit, but for our purpose, choose delete. Gmail will display a confirmation box asking if you're sure. Click OK or delete to confirm. A quick note before you finalize. Deleting a filter stops it from acting on new incoming emails, but it doesn't change messages that are already in your inbox or labels. If you're even slightly unsure, consider taking a screenshot of the filter details first so you can recreate it later if needed. It's a simple way to preserve your setup without keeping a filter you don't want. If you don't see the filter you expected, double check that you're in the right Gmail account and that you're using a desktop browser, since the full filter management isn't available in the mobile app. After you confirm the deletion, you'll see that filter disappear from the list, and Gmail will no longer apply it going forward. That's it, you've successfully removed a Gmail filter and taken back control of how new emails arrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.